Hello guys, today we're talking about the Xiaomi robot vacuum H40, and the more you use it, the more it starts to feel like a dependable helper instead of just another smart gadget. Over time, its biggest strength becomes clear. It's designed to clean efficiently without needing constant supervision, which is exactly what most people want from a robot vacuum. One of the first highlights you notice is the confident navigation system. The H40 moves smoothly around obstacles, rarely getting stuck under chairs or confused in tight spaces. Its sensors work together to map the room intelligently, so you spend far less time rescuing it compared to cheaper random moving robots. After a few cleaning cycles, it also becomes obvious that the vacuum uses a smart, adaptive cleaning path, covering more ground efficiently instead of repeatedly hitting the same spot while missing others. Another major advantage is how well it handles different floor types. The H40 transitions smoothly between hardwood, tile, and rugs, and it automatically adjusts suction depending on the surface. That automatic suction boost gives you confidence that crumbs, dust, and pet hair are actually being picked up instead of just brushed over. Battery life is also impressive. It can handle larger areas or multiple cleanings without dying halfway through, and when power runs low, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge. That self-managing behavior makes the experience feel effortless because you don't come home to unfinished jobs. Maintenance stays simple too. Emptying the dustbin is quick and mess-free, and the washable filter helps keep everything hygienic with low upkeep. The app experience is another standout feature, allowing you to create custom maps, set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, and adjust suction remotely. You can even use voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant, making it easy to start or stop cleaning hands-free. The H40 is also surprisingly quiet in most modes, so you can run it while working, watching TV, or relaxing without the house suddenly feeling noisy. Overall, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H40 combines smart mapping, strong suction, smooth floor transitions, easy app and voice control, and simple maintenance into a cleaning experience that feels reliable and truly hands-off. For busy homes, pets, kids, or mixed flooring, it's a practical upgrade that keeps floors cleaner with minimal effort.